Yeah, that one's super
Yeah.
Okay.
This is nothing competitions. You can do it with your feet too. Yeah, that's a real thing.
I gotta meet this kid.
Yeah, that's a real thing. No, you're good. I appreciate your concern, but you're good.
Do you do Rubik's Cubes at all?
Yeah, I do 3x3. I am learning 4x4, but parodies fucking kill me, so I kind of...
Parody really, really sucks.
Yeah, it does. So I just don't do it in competition, because if I get a parody, I'm pretty much screwed. And I have to DNF it. So, just 3x3. I can do it one-handed too, but very slowly.
I think this one hand is like 3 minutes or something.
Sub 50